Right, Sunday morning.
Hi.
What are we doing, Lan?
We've got a job today of see whether we can sort out this oil leak here. So we need to take off the cylinder. Not quite sure with this engine whether it's got a gasket or an O-ring, something else. If all else fails, we're going to just fill it up with these and a bit of goop or something. So these have actually been multiplying.
Yeah, and you know why?
Why is that then?
Because this was a munitions factory.
Ah, that's why they're doing that then.
So perhaps I should start making sweets, yeah?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what else is leaking?
We've also got the push rods under here. Got quite a nice leak going on there. We've got some seals for them. This is the gasket set and the seals there. So yeah, basically taking all this off, see what we find, and fix that up.
Right, we'll strip that down, shall we?
Yeah, and the what's that thing called?
Oh, the silver bit?
Yeah, that silver bit. The silver bit now doesn't
Leak. Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
that's good.
So,
we don't want any leaky silver bits.
No, definitely don't want that. So that's all good.
Okay, so we'll get that stripped.
Yeah.
And we'll take a bit more.
See what we find.
Okay, mate. Right, Lan, where you at?
We're doing okay. We've got the cylinder head off. So we've got it laid out here, so we don't get it muddled up. We can see it's all alright. It's burning a little bit rich, but other than that, we're happy with that. So we've got the slidy bit here, sliding. We've got no lip here and no carbon deposits, so that's showing that's in good order. So we'll carry on taking that apart and see what else we can find.
For people in not the know, the slidey bit is the piston. Yeah. Thank you.
It's the piston, slidey piston bit.
Cool.
So we're doing okay here. We've got the cylinder barrel off, which looks pretty good. There's a little bit of witnessing in there, witness marks, but it's generally okay. So we're happy with that. Got the old head gasket there, the push rod tube seals, which are really crispy, a couple of little O-rings that have seen better days, and a bit of sealant. And then we've got the piston, slidey piston here. You can see they haven't got any burn by getting onto the past the rings here, which we've also found were set slightly wrong. There's three of them, and they should be set 120 degrees different, so that when they expand, it spreads the expansion. We got new seals here, and O-rings, and a ringle jingle, which holds the rings in when we can slide the barrel back over. So that's where we're up to. We're quite happy with it all, and that's yeah, ready to put it back together.
So let's put it back together.
Let's do it.
It's all going back together then, Lana?
Yeah, it's coming together nicely. Just need to finish torquing the bolts up here. We've got some nice ooze of sealant around the back, which shows it's going to make a nice seal and not leak. So we've on the third stage of the settings, we've tightened them up gradually, and we've just got 40 Newton meters to go. So just got this tightening. It's got a fancy thing going on. I'm quite known for over tightening things, so I'm being careful not to do that. Just take the bar off to do the ones on the outside. We don't need that extender. Suspense. There we go. And the last one. There we go.
And look at that. 40.1, you weren't far out.
No, could have been a little bit more precise if I tried harder. There we go.
So now it's just check the valve clearances
Yep.
and put the rocker covers on them back together.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's good. Exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah. Right, Lana, summary.
We've had a good morning's work. We've done both sides of the engine, new pushrod seals, gaskets, everything's tightened up as it should be, and we're going to try and fire it up.
Let's
See
have
how
a
it
go,
goes.
shall we?
Yeah.
Petrol on?
No?
That helps.
It smells of petrol.
Bit of choke.
What? We haven't mounted the chokes actually.
Oh.
Not heavy, is it? Oh, the choke's not actually staying on. Let's try.
Oh dear. Sounds like one cylinder's
It
down.
does, doesn't it? Sometimes the fuel's a bit funny. Good fuel.
Job's a good one. And it idles.
And it idles.
That'll do.